This question comes from Wallace. He asks, what would happen if the moon were suddenly replaced with a giant ball of aged cheddar cheese with the same size and mass? Well, first we're going to witness a very spectacular and very brief event. The moon is a giant ball of solid rock, but cheese? Cheese is semi-solid, soft, and meltable. It has no business being the moon. Gravity on the moon is only 1/6 of Earth's, but it's still enough to turn a 3,000-kilometer wide block of cheddar into something that's not really cheese anymore. It would collapse under its own weight. If it doesn't collapse from its own weight, then imagine what happens when it faces sunlight. About 127 degrees Celsius. Yeah, not exactly moon material. Then it heats up. Extremely, extremely fast. In just a few hours, cheddar, made of fat, protein, salt, and water, will completely fall apart. Temperature and pressure at the core destroy everything. Water boils, creating bursts of steam. Fats and proteins break down from the heat, splitting into simpler compounds. It's no longer cheese. The moon is gone. Now we have a sphere of bubbling primordial soup, frying itself. And it smells like burnt toast, mixed with 1,000 rotten eggs. This collapse wasn't clean. Cheese bits flew everywhere. Earth is pelted by a shower of cheese meteors, most burning up in the atmosphere, causing little to no harm. A few large chunks fall, turning into porous charcoal lumps, leaving those who pick them up more confused than scared. Cheese doesn't disappear. What remains gradually compresses and burns into a porous carbon sphere like bread turning into charcoal, and it still forms a single cohesive mass. The tides? Still totally normal. The cheese may be weird, but the mass didn't change. Just a few ripples. No tsunamis, no disasters. The carbon sphere reflects almost no light. Owls are confused. Sea turtles can't find the shore. And poets? They've got no ideas left to write about. After millions of years, the carbon sphere finally cooled down. The rotten, eggy stench just drifted into space. The night sky lost its glow. No more moonlight. And Earth? It lost a little of its beauty. So yeah, the cheese moon collapsed. It cooked itself, rained burning crumbs on Earth, and now we've got a big, dead, dark carbon rock hanging in the sky. Wallace's age-old question finally answered. Cheese? Not moon material. Just a universal mess. And thanks to Wallace. If you like that totally weird space cheese story, give us a thumbs up. And hey, don't forget to subscribe for more science silliness.